Well, having a great smile doesn't have to be expensive. We're back here with Stephen Compton from Delta Dental of Arkansas. Now, Steve, when you were here the last time, we talked a little bit about dental insurance and how it works. And so I said, we need to have you back because there's so much information on this. Dental insurance can be such a huge benefit. How do we take full advantage of it?
The most important part is preventive dentistry. So that's where it starts. We stress it. We build our policies around that. And so that's really the foundation of everything that we do, because if we can get people to start there and keep those habits throughout their life, then their health is much better, their smile is much better, and it's really it's a game changer for people when they maintain
for their
that
confidence.
It's confidence,
sure,
you know, and so it's amazing to see. We've actually had people that help us work with more unfortunate folks in our community that they go in and they actually help them fix that smile and the before and after of what they do. It's really amazing.
You know, I've ran into some people that it doesn't matter how much they brush their teeth and floss and, use mouthwash. They just have a genetic issue going on there. Does dental insurance cover, what all does it cover?
Yeah, so we'll start with the preventative side. So folks that do have that genetic disposition, being able to go and work through the preventative benefits, which we cover at 100%. So being able to go twice a year, you can get those basic cleanings. And then if you do have things that are a little more advanced, that you get into what we call our basic services. So most people would think of that as like a filling, and the doctor says you didn't brush your teeth enough or something happens, you got to get a filling. And then you progress up the line with our services where you start getting more advanced stuff like crowns.
I gotcha. And that chart that we were looking at there, it kind of spells it all out.
It does. Yeah.
How could we find that chart, by the way?
So DeltaDentalAR.com is the first place you can call me. Of course, any of our team at Delta Dental will be able to help you out and navigate those particular services. And then talk to your dentist. We have really great relationships with our dentists all across the state of Arkansas. They know us. We work with them. They're on our boards, so it's a constant communication, and they'll really help you navigate those policies.
Okay, so sometimes we just need to understand that maybe not everything is covered, or maybe your claim can be denied. What are some of those reasons that may be the case?
If a claim gets denied, and I sit right by our customer service, I hear them all the time. 99% of the time, it's simple human error.
Okay.
And it's just because the claims process, there's manual entry, it goes from this person to this person to this person. And so if we have a claim that gets denied, most of the time it's because of a manual error. And then at other times, we get into more advanced claims, some of the services, you may have some cost share in those services, and we have to walk that through with our customers. What the insurance will pay versus what might be the responsibility.
And is this like an EOB, if you will, here on your screen?
If you will, yeah, explanation of benefits. That way you kind of see what we covered or what the dentist charged, what we might cover, what your responsibility would be. We try to break it down, and every bit of that drives back into the claims. So what was submitted to us, that's how we process those particular EOBs, and that's where we sometimes get calls because, yet again, human error, the EOB could be wrong.
We're out of time, of course. If you've got dental insurance, use it.
Use it.
Don't be afraid to go to the dentist.
At least twice a year. Go to the dentist twice a year. That's it. We build it so you could go twice a year. We're pretty much the only insurance you can use twice a year. You don't want to use your auto insurance twice a year, your homeowners twice a year. Use your dental insurance.
Use it.
Go and take advantage of it.
It's not like if you use it, your rates are going to go up or anything. It's intended for that. A lot of companies and employers offer this as a benefit.
Very much so, yeah.
So you should use it.
We're the insurance people like.
Yeah, this is great. How can we learn more? I know that it was just up on the screen.
So yet again, DeltaDentalAR.com. You can call me, call our team at Delta Dental. We're here to help you.
So glad to have you back.
Man,
this is really great. Thanks for being here. Go get your teeth cleaned. Ashley.